that 1,000 subscribers, don't you? And so, you know what? I'm going to share you a little bit of knowledge how you get that 1,000 subscribers. First of all, you got to do your homework, all right? You got to do your homework. You got to understand, to get the 1,000 subscribers is some things that you just got to have. And that's a little charisma, a little charm, a little understanding what people want, a little psychology. And if you got just a phone camera, that's fine. You don't need nothing special. If you got, my people out there right now saying, "Hey, this guy right here, he just ain't my people." But you know what? I'm gonna listen to him because sounds like it makes a little sense. And so I want my 1,000 subscribers, so maybe I should give this guy give him a little chance. And that's what you got to do. When you go to a video and you see somebody and they're just starting to break off and trying to give you some information, well, guess what? If you only watch for 22 seconds or 30 seconds, guess what you're going to get out of it? 22 seconds, 30 seconds, and that's a whole lot of what? Really nothing. I mean, you can sneeze and take you 20 seconds to do that, right? You got to give people a chance, because the bottom line is this: if they took the time to make a video, you really think they're gonna sit there and give you a bunch of nothing? I mean, that'd be ridiculous. So the best way to get 1,000 subscribers is to do your homework. Go ahead and look at other people, what they're doing, and figure it out for yourself. You know what I mean? You're gonna learn some things that's gonna help you out along the way, and I'm gonna tell you what that will be. Is you want to have like good volume, because if you don't have good volume, even if the people out there watch your video, well, guess what? YouTube will go ahead and classify your video as not original content. Now, does that make sense? Not original content because my volume wasn't loud enough? Well, hey, YouTube has their own rules, man. And the bottom line is, it's their game. So if you want to get good at it, you gotta play by their rules, and because it's their game. You know what I mean? If it was your channel, hey, your platform, it'd be your game. But you're not. You're a guest here. You're a guest, and you gotta respect YouTube, because bottom line is, they're the ones calling the shots, man. So yeah, so you want to have that original content. Well, you better have your volume right. Another thing is your music. If you got music to it, you gotta be careful on copyrights and stuff, because that will hold you back. And if you're only posting once a week, hey, you're posting once a week. I mean, how fast do you want to get there, man? If you do a video every day and you go live, I mean, going live is the way to go, really. But at the same time, I like it and stuff, but I'll go live and then I'll take down the video. I'll take it down, see how it goes. If it doesn't really like blow up, well, I'll go ahead and I'll take that video down, and then I'll add some some effects to it. I'll add some sound to it, like some music or something, some get down, and make it more entertaining. Because let's face it, some of us just ain't entertaining people, man. I mean, like, shoot. I mean, like, what makes me entertaining? I mean, I don't know. Some people think I'm entertaining, other people just think I'm a fool. Like, what? But that's the way it is. And don't worry about, you don't have to be like, like all like, you don't have to be all suave. You know what I mean? I mean, if that's your style, get down like that. Get style, suave. You know what I mean? But if you're missing a couple teeth, hey, man, well, this is reality, baby. I mean, this is the real show. This ain't no make believe. This is real people out here. Let's just face the fact, because the bottom line is, there's a hell of a lot more people that aren't good looking than there are good looking. So don't believe me? Look when you drive down the street. Look to your left, look to your right, and you'll be like, hey, he was right. Where's all the good looking people? There ain't that many out there, bruh. So maybe they're the ones that's funny looking. You know what I'm saying? You ever see that old Twilight Zone? Remember that one? with a chick. She was hella beautiful, a little blondie, and everybody had pig noses and stuff, and they were like, "Oh, what's wrong with this ugly boy?" You know. So yeah, maybe maybe so, you know what I mean? That ain't so good looking, right? You know that ain't true. But at the same time, I mean, like, yeah, man. So we're just people. We're trying to get along, and we need to help each other out. And so, if you want that 1,000 subscribers, here's another little golden nugget, a gem, whatever you want to call it. When you go ahead and you fill out the the description. Uh, Make sure your description has keywords in it, and your keyword is going to be, hey, 1,000 subscribers. How to get 1,000 subscribers. This is how you get 1,000 subscribers. And so those are your tags and stuff, and your long form keywords and stuff like that. You know what I mean? You got to put all that stuff together. And because you want your title, you want your prompt, you want your description, and you want your script to all have the same keywords in it. You feel me? So passive income, in the thumbnail, passive income. You didn't have someone ball pointing like that, passive income and start, oh, passive income, and then the title, passive income, the creator's philosophy, passive income by Jamie Joe. You know what I mean? So the title. So you got title, you got the thumbnail, and then in the description, you're gonna have hey, passive income by Jamie Joe. And the first 250 words very important. So then you want your keywords. You got long form keywords, and you got your tags. Now let me tell you something about this. Where it says tag, that's where your long form keywords go in. You know, right? And where it says your tags now, your tags, that goes in your description box, all right? Only put like 3 tags in there, and then in the tag box itself, you're gonna put long form keywords. So for instance, instead of just passive income, you're gonna be put this is how you create passive income with the Speakers Creator Hub. Um, the Speakers Creator Hub creates passive income. Uh, the Speakers Creator Hub loves passive income. You want passive income? Go to the Speakers Creator Hub. You see what I'm talking about? And then your tags are just short. Passive income, uh, making money, um, easy money, uh, stuff like that. You got that goes in your description box, all right. And then in the description box, you put like the dollars, the number sign, like tic tac toe. You put that, and then you put your tag in the tags itself. You want to go ahead, where it's long form keys, like I'm telling you. You want to go ahead, put the long form key, and when you're done, you put a comma, and then it will rank it, and you'll get a number. Hey, you get the lower the number, the higher the rank. So if it says number one, that's the best you could get. um if you don't say nothing at all, it's not even ranking, man. Now, let me tell you another thing about that, okay? There's 2 ways that you rank your video. One, because it's the algorithm, right? But there's 2 algorithm, folks. One is on the what? Yes, one's on YouTube, of course, and the other one's on Google. So if you want to get these 1,000 subscribers, get your videos to rank, and so they get a bunch of people viewing it. They're gonna click on it because you got the bomb thumbnail, and you'll be good. All right. And if you need some help, hey, reach out, holler to me. I can make thumbnails great because I'm a tattoo artist. I've been drawing since I was 6 years old. You thought I was gonna say I've been tattooing since I was 6 years old, huh? Yeah, but you know what? Seriously, man. So go ahead and reach out to me, and I'll help you out with the thumbnail. Hey, if you need a bunch of thumbnails, I could sell you a bunch, like for $1 or $5 each, whatever. I could make you custom thumbnails. Hey, go check out my fourth wall store. I got some pretty bad stuff, and I'll create you anything custom. Like I said, I'm a tattoo artist, baby. I get down with the get down. You know what I mean? When I get down. All right. So if you guys need help, I'm there for you. I'm Mario, the speaker here at the Speakers Creator Hub, and you are my people, my community. You are my hopes and my dreams. If I can't make you happy, I'm not gonna be happy. If I'm not making money, you ain't gonna make money. If you ain't making money, I ain't gonna make money. Because the bottom line is, folks, we gotta help each other. There's plenty of money in the YouTube world. Remember, $354 billion they made last year. Wow. And their big brother, Google, made 2 trillion. Plenty of money, man. And the only thing is, you just got to figure it out. You know, it's the code. It's the code. And what the code is taking your time, uh, do more listening than talking, and and don't be afraid to put yourself out there, because you know what? We all suck. You know, we all do. You know, none of us are special. Uh, you know, we're all the same. We all bleed and we all breathe, because that's all you got to do, baby. Is breathe, eat, and poop. That will keep you alive, guaranteed. All right. I'll see you guys later. All right. Take it easy. Love you guys. Thanks, man. Ladies too. Wow. I done it again.